Okay, let's pack.
Your tape.
After getting your carton.
No, that tape that has been given to you is 2.
2.
You should put 1.
2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can separate them, please.
Wait, no, like
Faster, better, and no more than you.
I said you can them, they stay there.
No more than you. No more like this than you.
Place it on the carton. Now, listen, it's okay. Okay, after placing the double-sided tape, take your buster. Yeah, you stand around. Yes. Place it at one end, somewhere around here. Place it there. Just if you attach to it, your battery. Place the battery. I gave you battery. Remove the place it
What is there to get friend? Only know that you guys are not.
So is it flat?
It did me do.
If them comes in,
So should we place it flat?
any I want to do.
Any
That is okay. Let me see. Now the next thing you are going to do, listen. You already have our buzzer, the sound alarm, we have the battery. So we are going to place the IR sensors here. It's going to be pointing out.
Wait,
It's going to be pointing out.
pointing out. Let Piano do it. Is that I say?
No, in this way.
Gamela, come here. You not.
So let it come out. Sender and the receiver, let it be pointing out. That black and transparent LED light there. Let it be pointing out.
Okay, sir.
Put this thing in line of Jory.
Fast.
The warrior.
So, who are those? Your group is the only one making noise. What's it now? What's the sensors on your carton now? There must be this thing there. The sound alarm. There must be the battery at the middle. While the sensors is pointing at the other direction so that it can sense. Now the next thing we are going to do, the jumper wire. Attach the jumper wire to the 3 pins of the IR sensors. Attach the jumper wire any side. Attach it to the 3 pins. You can detach the wire, detach the 3 pins.
Let's
Separate them. So everything should be fixed.
Put it inside once.
So the 3 pins there. One wire to one pin, another wire to the second one. Separate the wires. They are disturbing you.
Gamela does not.
Give. What's the second one first?
But the thing can spoil it.
I'm coming.
inside. Oh, yeah, push it inside.
Just try and push as much. Cover the parts there. Now, listen. This is what we are going to do. When you check those three pins have names. Check. One pin there, VCC. That's voltage collector. That's the positive. The one at the middle is GND. That's negative, ground. Why the third one is out? That is what will bring the sound out. Am I making sense? Those are the three pins of the IR sensors. Now, the jumper wire, the other edge that has that black something. Remove those black attachments there. Yes, remove it. Cut the other part out. Be careful while cutting. This thing now.
Now you guys fix this.
Now listen. Battery connector. That positive and negative. Please cut the wire so that you can expose this thing there, the connector and the conductor inside. Because we are going to be attaching and connecting them now. Same thing, yes. Both the sound alarm and the connector. And this one too. Cut them so that this thing can be well exposed.
Yes, sir.
It's okay, thank you. Please, these are not okay. These two and this one, they are not okay. I want it to be as big as this one. Can say I'm laughing. Once cutting and you review the conductor inside the wire, the next one going to be is connection. Now, your first connection. Quiet, please. Your iron sensors locate the wire on the out pin. Out pin, the wire. Out. Are you there? Then connect it with the negative of your sound alarm. Out of wire sensor to the negative, that is the black wire of the sound alarm. Attach the two together.
Shock me, not try.
Tight very well.
Tight it very well. Don't let our class, please.
I'm very sure that's the out.
Are you there?
Nonsense.
So we're almost there.
We are done with the first connection. First connection is what?
Out. The out.
Out of iron sensors to where?
To the negative. Yes, sir.
Now the next I'm going to do, locate the VCC. Yes. Positive of the iron sensor, voltage collector.
This one to this red one.
To the positive of the sound alarm.
This then if I attach it. Look at this one, it's very tight, right?
VCC of iron sensors to the positive of sound alarm.
No, just like bang, bang, fine. Then next one is German and globally.
Turn it down.
Okay, which one will be yours?
When you sit on the table, say, why you
Quiet now. Your battery connector. The positive wire, which color?
red.
Red. Let it be connected to the VCC, which you just finished connecting now. Connect that one to make it 3 wires together.
That should connect it.
Making it 3 wires.
Battery connector. Positive to that VCC. 3 wires together. VCC from IR sensors. Well, buzzer positive, are you? Inside alarm. IR sensors, we have one there.
Yes, and we have this cap.
That's what?
And
GND. Negative of battery to GND.
See,
GND is the middle of our IR sensors.
Yes, sir.
And the black of that, your battery car. Wait, what are you doing?
that's
DND. Place this thing there and see if it works. If it doesn't work, it means. Connect. So maybe I'm going to bring sleep. This is well now. So capture their listening. Put that in front and see. You can see it's new one. Turn on.